Welcome back to our basic science class. Hope you all are safe at home. In our previous classes, we discussed about conventional and non-conventional sources of energy, different ways to overcome energy crisis in future, and the various instances in daily life of fuels being wasted, etc. Right? So, what steps can be taken to save energy at home? Tell me, my dears. Yes, compact fluorescent lamps, that is CFL, which works in low energy, should be used. Do not misuse electricity. Use fuel efficiency hearths for cooking. Always remember the fact that we conserve energy sources when we do not waste fuels. Can't we do several things at home itself to conserve energy? What are the ways to control the consumption of electricity? Measures to be taken to avoid wastage of electricity are: switch off electrical devices after use. Iron all the clothes at a stretch instead of doing it at different times. Use CFL or tube lights instead of ordinary, that is filament bulbs. Use lights and other equipments only when needed. Ensure that street lights are switched off in time. Do not use mixer, grinder, fridge, etc. when the voltage is very low. Promote the use of LEDs. What are the changes to be introduced in the devices and sources of energy for cooking? Some changes are: use energy efficient stove, hot boxes, pressure cookers, etc. Use gobar gas for cooking. Establish biogas plant in our homes. My dear children, here is an activity for you. December 14 is observed as National Energy Conservation Day. Prepare a notice to create an awareness of energy conservation activities in your project book. Let's now do a quick revision of the main topics we learned in this chapter, okay? What are conventional fuels? Fuels which cannot be replenished once they get exhausted are called conventional fuels. Example: petroleum products such as petrol, diesel, kerosene, tar and LPG. What are non-conventional energy sources? Energy sources that are continuously replenished by natural processes are called non-conventional energy sources. Example: solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, biomass energy, etc. How can the energy crisis be overcome in future? Only through strict control of the consumption of fuels like coal and petroleum and maximum utilization of non-conventional energy sources can the energy crisis be overcome in future. Then, what steps can be taken to save energy at home? Yes, compact fluorescent lamps, that is CFL, which works in low energy, should be used. Do not misuse electricity. Use fuel efficiency hearths for cooking, etc. So, once again, always keep in mind that energy saved is equal to energy produced. Okay, children, it's all for this chapter. Study well. Thank you.